Hello guys, it's your favorite blue-haired Fatty, and today we are going to do a painting. Today's color palette is actually chosen by my Instagram followers. I asked them to pick something out for us, and I had one lovely friend, Talisa. She actually is a resin artist, so you can check her out. It's Earth and Space Tea. Like, put a link here or something. Like, I'll show you guys her Instagram. Follow her out. She does resin work. It's very, very nice. And she picked the color palette for me, and she said blue, orange, purple, and white. I don't have blue. I asked my Instagram followers to pick the last color instead of blue. I asked them to pick between red and peach. And honestly, I don't know why I asked them, because like I was going to go with red. But we did a poll and they picked peach. Today we are going to be painting with this funnel. I am going to put the paint in the funnel and then like just, you know, drip it. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but you'll see what I mean. It's going to go in this funnel. That's how we're painting today. So thank you so much for joining me. Let's have some fun. Okay, so this is the funnel. I hope the cameras can catch this well enough. I've actually found this nice metallic color. I'm gonna put it in. Okay, so let's go. I'm gonna go with some white. This color palette actually reminds me of a painting that I did. It was a very small painting, and I did it. It was very nice. Okay, look at this. This purple is a color shift color. It was it said like purple. I forget the name. It is blue violet flash. It is so pretty. It has little sparkles in it. I don't know if we can get that, but it is so freaking pretty. I love that. Oh sh! I'm such a klutz the way I dropped that. Okay. I'm just putting these in randomly. No order. We're just vibing it out. Just vibes. Y'all know me. Maybe too much paint. Okay guys, are we ready for the fun part? Ready? Okay, so I think I'm gonna like lift it, then pull it back down, lift it, put it back down, like kind of make it jump, 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 jump. Oh my god, so much weight. Okay, this is definitely too much paint. Oh, look at the purple coming in. It kind of looks pinkish. Oh my god, where are the rest of the colors? No, this did not. Wow, maybe it was too much white. You cannot see the colors. It's very disappointing. That's very disappointing. No. It's still pretty. It was very. Oh, colors are coming through. Okay. I want to add more paint, but I already know we have enough on the canvas. This is kind of cool. Wow, I wish there was a blue in this. Whoa, look at the cells coming in. Okay, so I definitely don't need any more paint, but I'm gonna add some because I want the metallic to come in a little bit more. I think that would look pretty cool. And maybe some more of the color shift. Or even the peach. Finish off the peach. I feel like the final mix, it gets too muddy. If you're new to painting, muddy is when it mixes too much and it becomes like just one color. Like you're not able to see the difference of color. Ooh, y'all, look at this. I don't like mess with cells too much, but this is looking very pretty. Oh my gosh, over here looks like a, look at these. Like this is like, look like sediments, like rocks, and this looks like lava. Right? Do you guys see it? Some over here. I like it, y'all. How do you feel? How are you feeling about it? I like it. I don't know. This part is giving me like godly, like heavenly. This part over here, and this. It looks like it needs some. What is it? Like those. You know those. That's so nice. Look at that. This is very pretty. Very pretty. I love how the orange is just like vibrant and goes through that. Sorry, it goes right through the middle. Y'all, tell me that's not beautiful. That is beautiful. This is, I love this one. I love this one. I do. She's beautiful. She's beautiful. This is an awesome color palette. Thank you, Instagram. Thank you. I should do a giveaway. I don't know. Should I do a giveaway for this one? You guys let me know. You guys pick the colors. let me know. I'll do a little giveaway for y'all. Ah, I love this. I can't wait to put it on my wall. Wow. Okay guys, so this is it wet. I feel like the camera isn't even picking up the colors well enough. Like, this orange is like a neon orange, and it is a very, very, very pretty. But I feel like the camera is not getting it. So, I'm gonna wait till this is dry and show you guys in the sun. But look at this. Look at this. It is so pretty. Look at the cells. They look like lightning. Like, no, guys. I don't think you're taking in how sick does it look. It looks like orange lightning. That's so crazy. That's so crazy. And look around here. Amazing. I love this part too. Look at that. No, I can't wait to show you guys this in the sun when it is all dry. Keep in mind, with acrylic pouring, it does continue to move, so this may not look the same when it's dry. I hope it does, but okay, so this is the painting, all dry. Look at it, isn't it so beautiful? Remember the orange lightning? Look at it. How pretty is it? Freaking pretty, you're damn right. Like, wow, I love it. The orange is so vibrant over here. I wish I cleaned up this like orange tail here. Sorry, I have bleed eye on my fingernails. But look, this is amazing. I love it. Absolutely love it. Alright, thank you so much for joining, guys. I'll see you in the next video.